Good morning. I'd like to talk to you today about the Momar Hand Sanitizing Station. We were in a need because of COVID-19 and we were personally making our product ourselves. So we reached out to Momar to get a quote on the hand sanitizing station. We were able to go ahead and obtain this product that came in a magnificent box that was already put together. There was no hard boxes and parts to put together. I was able to do it actually myself. Insert the 1 gallon supplement that you can purchase of the product, the handy sanitizer, and put it together. It is touchless, so all you have to do is step on the pedal and the product works. We use it currently with our time clock system, so that way our employees do not cross-contaminate each other while keeping them happy and safe at the same time. This product arrived in about 3 to 5 business days, ready to use. So we absolutely love this hand sanitizing station that we purchased from Momar.